Hello guys, my name is Judy. Yes, our workshop staff side Czech customers give me big order. Yeah, they order LED indoor screen. So let's go and see how big it is. Yeah, look, this indoor LED screen is made of 17 pieces of 640 by 480 millimeters to combine it. Yeah, this piece of pitch is 1.86 and this series is EA640F2 series. Yeah, okay, from a large LED screen and with a length of 7 meters and a height of 2.4 meters. Okay, I heard that Czech customers to purchase this one for the larger scale LED screen, yeah, in shopping malls. And why do customers choose this LED screen? Because this one is front maintenance design. Yes, it can be easily maintenance this receiving card and power line from the front. There is also EA640F2 series. Okay, yeah, designed with 4:3 golden ratio and a cabinet size about 640 by 480 millimeter size. Yeah, specially designed for versions 4:3 and 16:9 LED screen, larger screens. Hey guys, if you want to buy the LED screen, okay, welcome. Everyone can leave a message to me. So see you next video. Bye bye. I will miss you.